Good morning, grade 6. Our lesson for today is about simple tenses of verbs. The simple tense takes one of two forms depending on the subject. Example of the subject: I, you, the base form swim, they, we, visit. The plural nouns: he, she, it, cares. Singular nouns: goes, feels. Example: subjects followed by words in base form. I go to the Manila Ocean Park. You love sea mammals. They go to Donsol to see the Butanding. They, students, study about endangered sea animals. Subjects with verbs in S form. She goes to the beach to dolphin watch. The dolphin eats the porpoise. The ecologist thinks of the welfare of the sea animals. The government takes a stand in the preservation of water animals. Rule number 1. When we talk about things that happen repeatedly or habitually. Example: Leo gets up at 5 o'clock every morning. She sometimes goes out on Friday night. Miss Zara always forgets her keys. Rule number 2. When we talk about a permanent condition or long-lasting situations. Example: the earth revolves around the sun. Catherine speaks English very well. My birthday is March. Rule number 3. To indicate opinion. Example: dark chocolates are better than white ones. Vacation in a beach is nicer than in the mountains. Basketball is the favorite sport of Filipinos. Rule number 4. When we talk about general truth. Example: Jose Rizal is our national hero. Number 2. Bicol is the province in Luzon. Number 3. There are 7 continents in the world. Rule number 5. When we talk about travel plans or timetable or future action. Example: the bus leaves in 30 minutes and the training starts next month. Thank you, grade 6, for listening. God bless you. See you again.